Hi everyone, it's Jeanette, Senior Valuer at Ellis Winters Estate Agents, delivering the Christmas property market update. 2024 has been a year of change and progression, with the housing market adjusting to the step change in mortgage rates over the last 2 years. However, according to Zoopla, sales activity has run at the highest level since the 2020 boom, showing an increasing health in the UK housing market. So now is an ideal time for you to inquire about listing your property for sale with us. With 2024 coming to a close, we are looking forward to our New Year launch. After many proven years, the New Year launch is designed to maximise attention on the homes that we're selling. Whilst other agents take a different approach, we at Ellis Winters believe there are many benefits to providing a New Year launch. In the new year, prospective buyers are highly motivated, having planned their move over the festive period, compared to casual browsing that occurs on Boxing Day. Support is there, with all of our team rested and back ready to respond to inquiries and conduct viewings. We will give your property the time it deserves. The promotion of your property will be targeted to buyers through our social media channels, videos and property portals. We also have our Property Premier Group consisting of over 2,000 motivated buyers. In January 2024, Ellis Winters sold 37 properties, which was a quarter of all of the properties in the area, all with the help of the New Year launch. If you'd like to get involved, join the Ellis Winters New Year launch by contacting your local branch and speaking to a member of our experienced team. Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas!